Who does not enjoy a good taco? I know that I do. So today I'm going to show you how to make one carnivore style. This is pretty nutrient dense, absolutely yummy, and very simple to make. Let's jump right into it, shall we? For the taco shell, I just use the bread recipe that I got from the Carnivore Yogi. You can look in the description box for my video on that. And this is just with egg yolks, some bacon fat, and a little bit of baking soda. So once that's done, I put some tallow in the pot, and the leftover whites from the egg, I just scrambled it in the pot. And from there, I added some chicken liver pate that I made. You can look in the description box for that recipe, but I just used the egg whites and the liver pate as the fillings for the taco shell. Of course, you can do whatever you would like, but the end results was this yummy taco, if you will. Now, the shell itself is not hard like a traditional hard shell taco. It's softer, so more like a tortilla. But this was so delicious, and as you can see, this bread holds up really, really well. And even though it doesn't look like it's a lot of food, because there's a lot of fat in there, it was extremely filling, super easy to make, and absolutely delicious. So just kind of giving you a new idea of what you can do to spice up or to give yourself more variety on the carnivore diet while you're using the same ingredients. So of course you can put your own filling into this soft taco shell. You could do ground beef, shredded chicken. There's just so many different possibilities, but just wanted to present this to you. I hope you give it a try. All right, you be blessed.